Can ethical people make money? You see, most people, they believe that in order to become wealthy, in order to make money, you have to lie, cheat, and steal. That you have to do something unethical in order to make money. You see, unless you are making money through illegal ways, maybe you're selling drugs, you're doing something that's criminal, the only way to have long-term success, to build long-term wealth, is to be ethical. Think about it. Nowadays, with consumers so smart and have so many choices, when there's so much information out there, that if your product or service, if you're not adding value, you're not adding real value to people's lives, you're not going to have long-term success, because your reputation, it would destroy you. A lot of time we build relationships, we do business, and it's based on your ethics and based on your reputation. You're not going to have long-term success if you're not ethical. But see, that's what people want to believe, that, oh, if you're making a lot of money, you must be doing something wrong, you must be ripping off people, that you must be taking advantage of people. That is an idea that is planted by other people. It is simply not true. Over the years, I have met a lot of people, okay? The ones who are unethical, most of the time, not all the time, but the ones that are unethical, the ones that actually rip people off, they are the ones who don't have a lot of money. The ones who are actually generous, the one who have integrity, the one who deliver on what they promise, guess who they are? They are the wealthy people. That's how they get wealthy. Money earned is always a byproduct of value creation. It's very, very simple. The more value you deliver to people, the more money you're gonna make. Once you understand this concept, once you understand it's not about taking advantage of people, but adding value to people's lives, that's how you make money. But you see, most people, they want it's an excuse, they want to feel good. Oh, if you make money, you must be doing something wrong. So it makes them feel better about themselves. It's not true. It is simply not true. So comment below, what are some of the beliefs, what are some of the things that you've heard growing up that may or may not be true about people that are wealthy, also about money as well? Comment below and just see what other people say and some of the negativity, some of the negative programming that you have heard since your childhood, and how those things are holding you back. How are you going to be successful if you believe once I'm successful, once I'm wealthy, that I must be an unethical person? Who wants to do that? That's exactly what's been holding you back. Until next time, I'll see you, my family.